Hello everyone, take a paper and then cut it from the between. Now draw the gift box over it. Now after that, open the paper from the between after drawing the bow like this. Now after that, we'll be opening the paper and then we have to make some gifts inside it or some digits like this. So you can make some circles, patterns, beautiful cakes and ice cream like this. And it's ready. You can color it then afterwards if you want. Put some beautiful colors to decorate it. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. So here we have colored the gift box with the blue and pink color like this, and look how beautiful it's looking. Next, take a white paper, draw a circle over it and then draw the lines like this. Now after that, we'll be opening the paper and then in the between, we'll be making a cute rabbit. So draw the body of the rabbit, make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its hands and legs, and then put a piece of watermelon in the hands of the bunny. Now draw the seeds over it like this and then color it with the red color, white color, and it's done. Next, we have to take a white sheet and then you have to draw the lines like this and then make its eyes and then make the lines like this. Now open it and then join the lines and make a big mouth and the teeth of it like this. Make its long tongue and then color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a chili. So make a chili on the white sheet. Now make its eyes and then open the paper from the between. Now draw the lines, its big mouth and teeth. Make the fire opening like this and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing the digit or the letter first W and then the 3. Now we have to draw the face of the dog, make its ears, eyes and its body, make its legs, and then we'll be making the tail on the back. You can color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be drawing the circle like this and then we'll be making the body of the butterfly. Make its eyes and mouth and then make its wings. Now after that, making its wings, we'll be making some patterns inside the wings like this. Now after that, we'll be drawing the lines as shown in the video and then color it and it's done. Next, make a heart shape and then we have to draw the lines like this. Now make the body of the swan and then we have to make its beak and eyes. Now after that, make its wings inside like this. Now draw the lines like this of the water, color it and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing 2 circles like this and then we have to draw the lines and then we have to color it with the red color. Make its eyes and then we have to make the nose. So here we are making a dragon snake. So now we'll be making the body of the dragon snake like this. Now make its eyes and mouth on the sides with the colorful colors. Make its body like this and then draw the colors or fill the color inside it and make its tail on the back. Now use the green color to make the hairs on the body of it like this and it's done. Next, draw 6 circles like this and then on each circle we'll be making some different animals. So first one, we have made a tortoise. Now on the second one, we have to make a ladybird. Now on the third one, we'll be making a honeybee, and in the fourth one, we'll be making a rat or a mouse. Now in the fifth one, we'll be making a frog like this. Color it. Now in the last one, we'll be making a fish and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.